My name is Amal Nergurkar. I'm the CEO of Patient Prism, and I'm delighted to welcome Dr. Len Taus into our studios this morning. And Len Taus is known as the Reputation Doctor. He's an extremely popular speaker at dental conferences, has his own podcast, and is also a consultant who helps dentists all over the country understand the value of online reputation, and really helps them build that, right, through his online courses, and they're very, very popular. So check him out. He's also one of Philadelphia's top dentists by the magazine for many, many years. So my question to you, Len, is really about understanding reputation, and you know it's a word that's thrown around a lot, and so what are the differences? You know, there's reputation management, which is you're managing your reputation, and there's reputation marketing, right? Two different concepts. What are the differences?
People have always kind of put them in the same spectrum of things,
okay,
but there's two very vast differences between them.
Okay.
Reputation management is a very old term.
Okay.
And I always say, if someone says, hey, we're calling to help you manage your reputation, hang up the phone. That's what I tell people. Because management is an old term. It's like reverse SEO. It's like getting negative reviews off the first page of Google. That's what it really is.
Okay.
It's a negative term. Hey, I want to manage your reputation. No, you want to market your reputation. You want to show every patient who's looking for a dentist or any business,
right,
you know, your positive reviews. So reputation management is really, you got a bad review, you know, how do I get it away from people who are looking for you, away from page one?
Right.
That's what the goal of it was.
Okay.
So hey, you know, I get them all the time. Hey, oh, you've got a rip-off report. You know, I found it on page 3.
Okay.
You know, hey, the big joke is where can I hide a dead body?
Right.
It's on page 2 of Google search results because nobody goes there. So they want to get it off page 1. Okay.
Correct.
So. You know, I found a rip-off report on page 3. I want to get it away from Google. Nobody's going to see it anyway, okay?
Correct.
So that's management, in my opinion, okay? There could be some responding to reviews there. That's part of management.
Right.
Marketing is having your happy patients talk about you online. Okay, I call them raving patients. I'm all about the raving patient.
Right.
Okay.
You've got the Raving Podcast.
Yeah, Raving Patients Podcast. That's
right,
what I'm all about.
Absolutely.
I have a book called The Raving Patients coming out soon.
Okay.
So it's all about the raving patients. That's my brand.
Okay.
So having your raving patients talk about you in reviews online,
okay,
and then marketing on the internet to attract more new patients. So the reputation marketing is what you should be focusing all your attention on, is generating 5-star reviews from your happy patients,
right,
and then pushing them all around the internet. So people who are looking for a dentist will find you, will see the reviews, and then come in and become a new patient.
And part of reputation marketing, it's an active process, right? So you have to not only just accumulate good reviews, but you have to repurpose them as well, right? Into other forms. You were just saying that you want it all over the place. So how do you get it all over the place?
So you want to share them on your social media channels. So obviously Facebook, Instagram, you know, Twitter is not as popular in the dental space unless you're a politician or a celebrity.
Right.
You know, I don't know how many people tweet, but you can tweet them out. So definitely share them throughout your social media channels. You can. One of the best forms is to get a video testimonial, stick them onto YouTube, second, you know, most search engine in the world.
Right.
So YouTube testimonials. You can put them on your website, so get them repurposed onto your website.
Right.
You want to put them where people are looking for them and make them more valuable to yourself.
So have you found success in your practice as well as advising others when you are putting some pay-per-click dollars behind your reviews or your videos? Have you found success with that?
100%. So that we actually had a client who was sending his clicks to his Birdeye microsite, and
nice,
you know, so his Birdeye microsite had over 1 million hits because we tracked those hits, and he has over, like, I think it was 3,000 reviews on his Birdeye microsite, that's where he was sending his patients to.
Wow.
And when you have all these reviews in front and center, that's what converts patients. And you know,
so you can almost amplify your reputation by putting some ad dollars behind it, right?
100% so. Why do you think, you know, the Google seller ratings are so important? When your ads are you have the seller ratings behind your ads,
right,
and they get more clicks than anything else because it stands out in the ads. That's where people are looking at, is you have the star ratings in your ads, and that's the higher click-through on those ads because of that.
So the moral of the story is reputation management is kind of an outdated term now. It was really meant to clamp down bad stuff. But reputation marketing is where it's at today, and I guess, but dentists must actively do reputation marketing to get new reviews and then and repurpose them all over the place, so that again everybody knows about you. So that's the moral of the story.
Yeah, that's the moral of the story. And you know what? Dentists and every business, they always worry about the negative review. That's like such a big problem for businesses
Right.
in general. Do you know how many people come into my practice and say, I chose you because you actually have some negative reviews? It proves your business is real.
Right.
And if you're real, and Google wants you to be a credible business, I think you're more credible if you have some real reviews, some negative reviews, because there's no business that's perfect out there.
Right.
And I think that's a very big deal nowadays, that dental practices, dental owners, dental team members all have to understand that there's no perfect business. And if you have 5-star reviews, I don't think they're real anyway.
Absolutely. So great segment. I think our listeners are going to enjoy understanding the differences, and then hopefully get on the reputation marketing bandwagon, which is important.
Reputation marketing bandwagon is where you want to spend your marketing dollars.
Perfect. Thank you so much, sir.
Thanks, Will.